Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're asking, are foreigners restricted from doing certain types of business activity here in Thailand? Well, the short answer to that is yeah, and they're restricted pretty substantially. Thailand has a very insular kind of outlook when it comes to its own internal economy. In my opinion, full disclosure, I am a naturalized Thai citizen. Sometimes I may have a bit of the fervor of the converted. Doesn't really bother me too much. Thailand has had to weather a lot of storms, had to deal with colonialism, the Cold War, had to deal with, multiple other, issues associated with not only economics, but geoeconomics and geopolitics. And Thailand has taken a position that they're going to do things to protect their own economy. And in many ways, you will see this in the form of not only sort of corporate legal structures, which we'll get into here in a minute, but also when it comes to things like business visas, not the easiest thing to get issued. I mean, we deal with business visas on a routine basis here in our office, but it is not something that's by any stretch of the imagination easy to deal with. Meanwhile, there's Thai work authorization. It's illegal for foreigners to just come into Thailand and start working. They need to obtain a work permit in order to do so legally. Again, this is just another restriction. It's just there. It is what it is. But I thought of making this video after reading a recent article from the Bangkok Post, bangkokpost.com. Article is titled, "Jail Threatened for Thai Nominees of Foreign-Owned Businesses in Chinatown." Quoting directly, the chief of the Department of Business Development has warned Thai nominees of Chinese-owned shops in Yawarat, aka Bangkok's Chinatown, that they are liable to up to 3 years in jail and or a fine of up to 1 million baht plus daily fines. Tosapon Dansuputra, Director General of the department, on Sunday emphasized the restrictions on foreigner-owned businesses in Thailand and the punishments for violations of law. Yeah, there are certain activities, even if you have, for example, a U.S.-Thai Treaty of Amity certificate, which certifies the company as an American company and therefore allows that company to operate notwithstanding the restrictions under the Foreign Business Act. There are still things, even under the treaty, that are specifically restricted and only allowed to be done by Thais. There are certain activities that are just completely restricted to Thais. There's no license, there's no exemption, there's no waiver. You're either Thai or you're not, and if you're not, you can't do that kind of business. And as noted in this article, and I urge those watching this video to go read that for themselves, creating nominees to sort of try to circumvent this is also illegal and could result in criminal penalties as well as fines, and as noted in the article. Again, I urge those who are watching this video, go read that article in detail. A lot of good information there. So again, the thing to take away from this video and understand is it's kind of a given. If you want to come do business here in Thailand, you're going to have to do business dealing with the regime, dealing with a business environment that is very much in favor of protecting local industry, protecting local jobs, and protecting local expertise because, at the end of the day, it's a big bad world out there, and Thailand just has to do what's best for Thailand in a business sense.